Okay, this short video is talking about the end of a section in 9.8. It's a continuation of arguments, but it talks a little bit about something here we've seen before. It's talking about the equivalence or the double arrow, also known as if and only if. Here's the truth table, page 407, and it shows that this is only true when they're both true or both false. In other words, the biconditional if and only if is true, P if and only if Q, is only true when they're both true, and it's only true when they're both false. If they're different, then it's false. Okay, so if there's a mixture, if they're both the same, then it's true. We've already actually seen this, and it says that on that page. If you go down a little bit, it says we use this in two ways to determine whether two statements are biconditional or equivalent to each other. We already have done this first one. When we write down a truth table for the two statements and we look at the last two columns, when they're the same, we say they're equivalent. And all this really says is that we can additionally write that a column and give it the biconditional and use that truth table I had up there to fill that in. You don't really need it, so this is an extra concept, and so I'm not covering this or assigning homework out of it. Now if we go on, we do get something that I do want to cover. Let's turn the page here. And we're going to turn the page again. We're not doing that here. This I want to cover. This is a continuation of 9.8, and it talks about three related concepts to the implication. P implies Q. And it talks about the converse, inverse, and contrapositive. Now I am going to talk about this, and we are going to assign some homework on it, but their definitions here are on what page? Page 409. Page 409. And you'll see them defined there. So when we have P implies Q, there's a definition of each one of them. I'm going to begin the next video with that.